Today we're in the eclectic Riverdale neighborhood with Dwayne De Rosario, who's going to school some of our preferred real estate agents with his expert soccer skills.
Come on, man, you got 2 left feet. Come on, man, you gotta do better than that.
Riverdale has a bit of everything. Good mature neighborhoods, big parks.
Come on, Nazir, let's focus.
From the Danforth to Leslieville.
Watching you. Wow, that's so weak. Are you kidding me? Give me that ball. Okay, guys, now tackling. Coming to get you.
Zoocasa preferred agents really know Toronto's neighborhoods. Soccer, not so much.